afternoon, children. Today, I will teach you a new poem for the 10th standard students. My name is M.S. Somshekar from Nilambik Girls High School. Today, I will take a third poem from the 10th standard English. I Am the Land. I Am the Land is a poem written by Marina D. Belagenta. Marina D. Belagenta is a famous poet. She was born in 1949. She completed her BA in poetry and reading media from the Mills College and an MFA in Visual Arts from University of California. She has granted BA and also MFA. She was very famous in writing poems. The present poem brings about the nativity, how the earth feels itself by the activities of the man. We all thought we owns the earth, we owns the land, but not. So the poet wants to tell us the feelings of the earth because of as a result of the man's struggle, fight for the land. From the ancient time, the people are struggling. This is my kingdom, this is my country. They are fighting each other to occupy more and more lands. So in previous centuries, the British has occupied most of the countries in the world. They have ruled for 100 years. They thought that they own the most part of the world. But now, most of the countries have got freedom. Still now, we are fighting each other. We are preparing so many guns, so many bombs and so many machines to fight each other, to defend ourselves with the others. The land says, who are you to own me? How can you own me? I am an independent. I am an earth. Earth is an independent. Is an independent organ. Okay, it's a planet. It's an independent planet. We never own the earth, but we are saying, this is my land. This is my site. This is my farm. So like this, we are telling that we feel we are the possessors of the land. So, earth sees what are the feelings of the earth in this point. I am the land. I wait. You say, you own me. I wait. You shout, I lie impatient. You buy me. I wait. With muddy holes and car lot eyes I stare. Then someone tickles me, plants me, fruit, grass, trees, children dance, someone sings. You come with guns, a chain necklace chokes me now. I wait. You can't put a fence around the planet Earth. I am the land. I wait. Very, very simple poem by Marina D. Belagenta. The poetess Marina D. Belagenta speaks the feelings of the earth. Here, the poet is not a speaker. The poet made the land or earth itself as a speaker. Who is the speaker here? As the earth itself is a speaker. It says, the first stanza it says, I am the land, I wait. The earth speaks, the land speaks. It says, I am the land. Who am I? I am the land. It says, that says, I am the land, I wait. You say, who is the you here? Here I refers to the land. You refers to people. You refers to people. You say you own me. You say you own me. You say you own me. I wait. You say that people say you own me. You are my owner. You bought this land for this much money. You bought this site for this much money. You are the owner of this area. You can't. But you are telling, you owns the land. You owns the land. I wait. I wait shows the earth has patience. The people are hating each other, fighting each other for the sake of the land. But the land says, you can't buy me. You can't own me. You can't possess me. But still you are struggling each other, fighting each other for the land. That's why the land says, I wait. I am the land. I wait. The word I wait shows. The word wait shows the patience. What does it show? It shows the patience. I wait. You are doing so many things on the earth. I wait. You shout. I lay patient. The people shout. This is my land. This is my country. This is my border. You should not cross this limit. You are shouting. I lie patient. Though you shout, I lie patient. Who lie patient? The earth lie patient. Patient means patience. Watch in patience what the people are doing in this foolishly. That's why it is waiting. You buy me. You telling it, you buy me. I buy this land. I buy this much land. You says you buy me. How can you buy me? Why am I to buy? It questions us. I wait. You are telling you buy me. I wait. I wait with patience. With muddy holes and carved eyes I stares. Where does the earth seeing us? The earth seeing through the muddy holes and carved eyes. It means extraordinary tools of perception. It's a perception. It's an idea of a poet. As if earth were staring, as if earth were looking, seeing, with the lights of the car parked on it. It is an imaginary poet, as if the earth is watching, it is looking what we are doing on the earth in the lights of the cars which parked on the earth. And understand? It means with muddy holes, there are muddy holes are there in the earth. Through these muddy holes, it watches, it sees what we are doing. And also car eyes I stare. How does the earth watches us? Through the car eyes. Car eyes means. So these are the cars are parked on the earth. They have a lights. Through these lights, the earth watches. Then someone tickles me. Someone tickles me. Tickles means land, flows. We flow the land for growing food, fruits, vegetables, etc. We are flowing the land. You tickles me, you flow me. It pains me. If you flow for your selfishness, it irritates me. It gives pain to me. You tickles me. Plants life, fruit, grass, trees. Why does man flow the earth? Yes, man flow the earth for his food, fruits, plants, grass, trees. These are all needed from human beings. That is why you are flowing the land. You are flowing. I lie patient. I lie patient. Children dance on me. Children dance on me. Someone sings on me. Someone sings. We pray. This is my land. This is our area. We are singing. We see though the children sings and dance on it, it doesn't get angry. It lie in patience. The totally first two stanzas. So what does we come to know from the words of the land? Yes. The land is the speaker of the poem. It feels it doesn't own by anybody. It not possessed by anybody. It had a patience. It was watching what we are doing on the earth. What we are doing to the earth. It was just watching. So we are doing so many activities on the earth. But it is simply with with patient watching. You come with guns. The people come with guns to shoot other. Why do we come with guns? To fight each other, to make a war each other. Why do the people make a war? Or come with guns to fight each other? To occupy more and more land. If I fight with somebody in neighboring country, if I own the neighboring country, it will comes under my possession. It will comes under my control. It will be in my holding. That's why the people are coming with guns to occupy more and more part of the land. A chain link necklace. Here chain link necklace means a fencing. So you put the fencing between the countries. So for example, if you go to India and Pakistan border, there is a fencing. So we all made a fencing after some distance, 10 meters. They also have their fences. In the both the sides of the fences, our soldiers watching it, soldiers bordering it. In the border, Indian soldiers are watching this side, Pakistanis soldiers watching that side. In the fence, we have made a fence. Fence means fence. We have made a fence for protection. We have made a fence. So for that, the poet says chain link necklace. What is the chain link necklace? Fence. Chain link necklace means fence. It chokes me. Chokes me. Chokes means suffocates. So we put the chain link necklace on the earth to make a differentiation between our land and their land. In my country, their country. We have some mark. That mark is called as the chain link necklace. For chain link necklace means fence. You have a fence. That fence chokes the mother earth. That fence chokes the mother earth so that it cannot breathe easily. It makes them to breathe difficulty. Understood? I wait. Though you did these things, I wait. I wait. You cannot put a fence around the planet Earth. You cannot put a fence around the planet Earth. You can put a fence between the lands. The Earth challenges us. What is the challenge? Man. You can't put a fence around the planet Earth. You may put the fence on me, between the different parts of me, but you can't put a fence around the planet. It's highly difficult to challenge the man. Can you put a fence around the planet Earth? No, of course, it is not possible. Says, I am the land, I wait. It says, I am the land, I wait. The word I wait is repeated several times in the poem. What does this show? Yes, repetition of the same words so many times shows that there is a more importance for the word wait. Wait means patience, means the land, the earth had a lot of patience. Because of its patience, we are safe. We are living properly. If it is not patient, definitely we will be destroyed. We will be destroyed. Now show the poem. I read once again. Please read over. See once again. I am the land I wait. The speaker of the poem is the earth. Says, I am the land and I wait. You say you own me. You are saying you own me. You own me. I wait. You own me. I wait. You own. You are the owner. You say you are the owner of the earth. I wait. I don't object you. You shout. You shout on me. I lay patient. You buy me. You are buying me. With the money. I wait. With muddy holes and car lot of ice instead. I look what the activities of the man through the car lot of ice and the muddy holes. Just I am watching what you are doing on the earth or doing on me. Just I am watching with patience. Then someone tickles me. Some people come and flows on me. It gives pain to me, but I lay patient. Why do the man flows on the earth? For the plant's life, fruit, grass, trees, etc. Children dance on me. Someone sings on me. But I still lay patience. He says, the earth says, you come with guns. You are fighting each other to occupy more and more land. I lay patience. A chain link necklace, you put a fence between the countries. It is just like a necklace. Chain link necklace which chokes me. Chokes means make a suffocation to breathe me. Even in such a condition, I wait. Though there are so many activities made me trouble, I wait with patience. And also it challenges the earth, challenges the man. You can't put a fence around the planet Earth. You are putting a fence between the earth. But you can't put a fence around the planet Earth. I am the land, I wait. Who do you think is the speaker of the poem? Who will answer? Yes. The earth, as I told earlier, the earth or the land itself is the speaker. I wait. In the line 1 suggests the feeling of what does the word I wait suggest? Yes, the word I suggest the patience of the earth. The patience of the earth. You can't put a fence around the planet Earth. At the end of the poem, that says you can't, it challenges the man, you can't put a fence around the planet. What does it show? It shows self-assertion. Self-assertion of the land. Though you buy me, though you sell me, you floss on me, you live on me, you do so many activities, you are putting a fence on me. But you can't put a fence around the planet Earth. Whatever the activities do, you are safe because I am patience. I have a patience. So it shows the patience of the earth. The patience of the earth. And the activities done by the man on the earth were destroyed. We are destroying the earth for so much for our selfish needs. We are destroying the earth in so many ways. Environment destruction, pollution, whatever we have done, so many things to earth. But earth still has a patience. If it lose patience, and if there is an earthquake or volcano, what will happen to us? Just imagine. So, we should think, we are all men, should live together with the brotherhood. So we shall have a brotherhood among the people of the world. We should save our earth because it is the only planet there is life on it. So it's our duty not to fight each other, but to save the planet Earth with good environment, good water, pure air for future generation. Thank you.